Hi guys, continuing with the poster magazine theme. Today we'll look at some modern classics from Kudos memorabilia. Just 7 of them, and a great binder they brought out as well. I'm going to open them up for you. Here we go. 7 excellent poster magazines. So give me a second and I'll get them open for you. Welcome back guys, I've opened them up. So, these were bought out a few years ago for the 80th anniversary of Bruce. Then one came out a year later, I believe. There's only 7 of them. You can get a great binder for them as well. I've got one of them as well. This is issue 1 on Tacky, 95th birthday. Excellent. Definitely worth picking up, these are. You can get all these and the binder. Still available. Really high quality they are as well. Not expensive. Let's have a look at the poster. Very, very cool. Excellent. It's number 1. Here's issue 2. Very cool. Let's have a look at the poster. Excellent. Issue 3. John Daniel Santo. You say very, very cool. I wish it had continued with these. They're very high quality. Excellent, yeah. Maybe they will do some more, who knows. Look at the poster. Excellent. Number 4. Check out the poster. Very cool. The excellent ETD poster, that is. Brilliant. Number 5, Bruce in Hollywood. There's Bruce on Van Williams on the rally bikes built in Nottingham.
He shows how to fight for his defense, installing all his limbs and tents. Power glistens in his eyes, he strikes.
Excellent. See the poster?
He's the king of kung fu. King of kung fu.
A bit of Hornet action. Let's roll, Kato.
Let him show what he
Excellent. Very cool. Number 6. Say, for the 80th anniversary.
Uses every human capability with a fingertip sensitivity. His kung fu courage set in motion.
Excellent. Let's have a look at the poster. It's the press shoot, Fist of Fury. Excellent. Yes, they're definitely worth picking up, people. These all won't be around forever, like nothing is. So, and here's the last one they did. Came out about a year or two later. I can't remember exactly, but it's an excellent edition.
People have carved him into what he is. Made him a powerhouse that fights to live. His iron muscles threaten destruction.
Excellent. Right, let's have a look at the poster. The press shoot poster with a slick back here. Excellent. Right, I hope you enjoyed that quick review of the modern poster magazines there. You can still get them quite easily. Definitely worth picking up. Right, have a good day, people. It's absolutely freezing in Nottingham at present. So, have a good day, people, and remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!